Hi, this is Tia, and I'm going to be making Moo Shu pork. It's a really fast, simple stir fry. What I have is the wrapper, the Moo Shu wrapper in the Asian store. It comes in 12 pieces, about $2. Or you can use tortilla or fresh tortilla, that's good too. I have the picnic pork, which I already pre-sliced really thin. It's got a little bit fat and skin. You can use a tenderloin if you want it leaner or any kind of pork. This is about 1.5 pounds. This is a black fungus I have. I already soaked it and drained it. This is probably like a cup. It's already, I like the ones already pre-sliced. It comes in these kind of bags. It's already dried. And then I have the hoisin sauce. This is the kind I've used. I'll show you. This one's a thicker one. I like this one. It's not as thin as the bottle kind. And then I'm gonna fry in about 2 to 3 eggs. And I have some ginger that I already sliced in there. And then I have about a carrot, 1 carrot and a cabbage, probably about 2 cups of cabbage. I have sliced onions. This is about half an onion and about 2 stalks of green onions. Then I have bamboo shoots. The one I like to use is a can, about a strip. Always wash it and drain it. And I have some garlic I already sliced. And some fresh chili pepper from my mom's garden. Okay, I'm gonna start frying. Okay, I'm gonna start by a little bit of sesame oil. I'm gonna fry the eggs first and then set it aside. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic. Let that heat up for a little bit. And I use 3 eggs here. I know probably in the restaurant they probably mix the egg and everything, but I just like to put in the topping more than cook it with the pork or with the vegetables. I do mine all separate. Okay, so that's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and fry the egg. I use a small pan, so I probably gotta fry it a couple times. Thin layer. Then I mix my egg with a little bit black pepper, some green onions, and a set of salt, a little dash of fish sauce I like to use in my eggs, and some green onions I chopped up. That's ready. Just gonna flip it. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna set it aside. Okay, I'm gonna heat up the oil. I'm gonna start stir frying the pork. Just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon there. Let that heat up. Okay, the smoke is really smoky. I'm just gonna throw in the pork. Garlic. And then ginger. See how smoky it is? I'm gonna let this cook until it's about almost done, and I'll season it. There we go. It's getting brown. Done. I'm gonna turn down heat a little bit. I'm gonna add the ingredients. About 1 or 2 tablespoons. I just squirt some. This is a oyster sauce. little bit dash one, little bit dash of sugar, not too much, small. Dash of MSG. A little bit dash of black pepper. Then I'm gonna add the hoisin sauce. I usually don't add soy sauce or because it's already salty from the bean paste, I think. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna mix it maybe a couple minutes, and I'm gonna take this out, set it aside, and cook the vegetables. This is good. I'm gonna set it aside and cook the vegetables now. Okay, it's heating up. I'm gonna toss in the onions. Cook a bit. The bamboo shoot. Strip. The black fungus mushroom. Give that a little bit of toss. A little bit. And it's on high. I'm going to put the cabbage, carrots, while that's heating up, a dash of sugar, a bit of MSG, a little black pepper, for this I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, because I already have some in the meat. It's probably already salty, so you don't need to add too much. And then a little bit, maybe 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This will make it salty too. Okay, while this is cooking, about another 5 minutes, I'm going to get ready to steam my pancake. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my meat back in. Mix it in. I'm going to heat up 6 pancakes, about 10 minutes. Now when this is almost done, I'm going to add the green onions. And then I'll toss in the eggs last. See, at the bottom of the pan, I don't really have any sauce. It's kind of pretty dry, so it should be. Okay, it's done. I'm going to toss in the egg, or top it off. If you don't want egg, that's fine. Whatever. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to wrap it, I guess, with the hoisin sauce base, and this is done. Okay, now look at, see? Okay, here's how we eat it. I'm gonna take a little bit of hoisin sauce, kind of spread it in the middle. And just wrap it like a burrito. Since I didn't want it spicy, my husband do, so I'm just gonna put some, kind of sprinkle some pepper, or you can just stir fry it in if everybody wants spicy. I'm gonna put some meat in. Depends how fat you want it. You put a little bit as lot you want, as long as you can roll it, I guess. Okay, I think that's a good size. I kind of rolled the two ends in like this. It's about that big.